Hi, I'm Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles, and I'd love to share with you a really nice traceless facelift case that I performed a few years back. She's a 63-year-old woman who had very significant signs of aging. First and foremost, she has a lot of sun damage. You can see the brown spots and the wrinkles in her skin. You can also see the textural changes of her skin with very prominent pores. She has significant bags underneath her eyes, hooding on her upper lids. She has very significant jowling, which is along the jawline here, and she has very prominent platysmal bands in her neck. And she did not like any of that. So we did a two-stage operation on her. The first stage was upper and lower eyelid surgery, a face and neck lift, including a platysmaplasty, which means tightening the muscles underneath the neck. I use a traceless technique, which is one of my signature procedures. It captures a lot of the very intricate things that I've refined over the years to get the most subtle looking incisions and the most natural appearing results with the most dramatic enhancements for the patient. This is a good example here. The eyelids are profoundly improved. We did a second round of laser on her approximately 9 months after the first, and that further enhanced the result. I do laser a second or third time in fair-skinned patients who have fine skins and wrinkles if they're up for it. The laser effects don't wear off over time, but it does allow me to take it to an even higher level, and that is what we saw in this case. So the bags are totally resolved. The light is getting into her eyes because we removed the hooding from the upper eyes. Her nasolabial folds are much smoother, the jowls are gone, and the neck is almost perfect, which is just the way I want it to be. This result made her feel so good. It allowed her to take some significant, bold steps in her life that I think that she says she would not have had the confidence, the guts to do without this type of surgery. And I love hearing these stories that go along with patients and the results, because when we make somebody look 10, 20 years younger through our hard work and skill in surgery, it has a profound positive effect on their lives in many different ways. And in this patient in particular, it allowed her to do things that she otherwise couldn't have done. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles, with a beautiful result from my traceless facelift.